So there was a question, how can we actually make blueprints and sketches, mood boards and such things without being able to draw? So some of you don't draw. Some of you draw, they are happy, they can do their sketches and everything, so you don't care about this video. So this one is only for those who cannot draw. So how can we do it? We cannot hire a concept artist, we cannot create our blueprints. So I was thinking you could use something like Just Sketch Me. You can easily pose here and you can print screen this and use it. They have some characters to choose from. You could try doing something like that. But still, this is not changing the proportions. Of course, what we care about is mostly different proportions. So say you have a fat guy, or I don't know, not that fat guy, so somebody else, T-pose, or in this case it's A-pose. That's A-pose, I would say, not T-pose, but whatever. But this is not a character you want to build. This is just like proportions, let's say. So what can we do? We'll copy the image, go to image editing software. Right, I'm pasting this image. So probably we're not gonna use reduce to be interesting for us. And then let's say we have some characters. So let's say you want to build something like him. Again, copying the image, going to this, to Photoshop in this case, and then some little tweaking here in Photoshop. Select range, let's get rid of white. We do need his eyes. Third selection. I could have one for subject. Command J, get rid of that. Control T. Maybe that's his hand. Okay. What are his arms? So basically, you have to find something that works for your character. I don't you like his arms? Let's say. Copy image. Paste. Let's get rid just arm, of course, including shoulder. Of course, you see that it's from different angle. Oh well, really, we cannot find a really exact situation we have here. I mean, if you can, you're lucky. If not, try to again get rid of the background. Say color range, just this color. Delete. Fine. And some strong. Yeah, I'm not doing a great job here at the moment. So the idea is just to show how can you deal with things if you cannot draw. Control T. Our anchor point is at the shoulder. So anchor point goes here. And then you could try somehow kind of make something that you could work. And maybe it's not cool to have all these details here. It doesn't help you to work with. So I will just brush, make some outline. Sharp brush for this one. Maybe my brush is too strong, but too big for details. But just the idea. And I'm getting something here. So you will get portions from this image, you will get accessories and all the small details from other images, and you'll create something like that you could use as your blueprint. And I would strongly suggest not having a white background, but something raised. Usually it helps in, it will go easier on your eyes. So, okay, of course, we should know anatomy, but if you do a good enough job of stealing images, it might still work. You still have a shoulder, you still have these muscles here, and more or less it would work.